good morning. Happy Thursday. Let's get started with class. So we're going to continue today with lesson 1, Earth's resources. Who remembers what resource we learned about yesterday? You can raise your hand on Zoom or in the video. I can see both of them right now. What resource did we learn about yesterday? Taylor?
We learned about natural resources.
Natural resources. Very good, Taylor. Do you remember which one? Which one did we focus on yesterday? Who remembers? Sam? Which natural resource did we focus on? Which one did we really learn about yesterday? For example, soil, air, water, rocks, animals. Which one did we learn about yesterday? Which one?
Animals and plants.
Did we learn about that yesterday? Remember what we read about? There was a hang glider, and there was a hang glider, and we learned about clean energy. Do you remember which resource we learned about?
Air.
Yeah, very good, Sam. Air. Remember, guys, it helps people fly in planes. It helps boats move. It helps us breathe. Everyone take a deep breath and let it out. Air. Very, very important. Very important. Excellent work, guys. And remember, we learned that it is clean energy. It's clean energy. Not like coal and oil. When we burn coal and oil, pollution goes into the air. But we can use windmills like in this video right here, and that makes clean energy. Everyone say windmill. Windmill. So really quickly, which of these can we use for something? Susu, which of these can we use for something, for anything? Can we use a t-shirt? Do you use a t-shirt?
Yes.
Yeah, right, you're wearing one right now. Can we use trees? We don't use trees for anything?
Yes.
Yeah, right, we use it for wood. So these are all resources. We can use these for we can use all of these for something. Susu, can you say resources?
Resources.
Very good. So they're all resources, but which ones can be found in nature? How about Puppy? Puppy, which ones can be found in nature?
The rock.
The rock, very good. Can you tell me the other 3 as well?
Animals, trees, food.
Very good, excellent. So these ones are natural resources, right? They're resources that come straight from nature. We can't find a t-shirt in nature, but everything around us is made from natural resources, right? We have to use the earth for everything. We can't use magic and just say, turn a pig into a brick wall. Boop. No, we have to use natural resources. Okay, everybody circle all of the natural resources, the natural ones. Which ones are natural resources? All right, so this is better than last time, everybody. This is good, but is a t-shirt, a lot of people circle t-shirt. Is a t-shirt a natural resource? Can we find a t-shirt in nature? Everybody.
Oh.
We can't find a t-shirt in nature. Let's do it one more time. Ready, set, draw. Which ones are natural resources? Nice, Blue Moon, Milk, very good. Taylor, very nice. Zook, good job. All right, very good, guys. We got them almost all right. So the carrot for food, the tree, the pig, and the rock are all resources we can use that are found in nature, outside. Very good job, everybody. Let's watch this quick video on wind since we didn't get to yesterday. Everyone listen closely. I'll be asking questions afterwards, okay? And Miss Kim is going to be looking at your videos and telling me if people aren't paying attention. All right.
What resources are? Resources are the everyday things we use that cannot be replaced. Do you know what resources are? Resources are the everyday things we use that cannot be replaced. The food we eat is a resource. The water we drink is a resource. The wood we use to build our houses is a resource. Even the air we breathe is a resource. But where do these resources come from? They all come from different parts of our planet, and they belong to everyone. But the problem, once we use up a resource, it is gone forever. Because of this fact, it is important for us.
So food is a resource, water is a resource, and this says the air we breathe is a resource. But where do these resources come from? Where do we find them?
They all come from different parts of our planet, and they belong to everyone. But there's a problem. Once we use up a resource, it is gone forever.
All right, so what is the problem? What happens when we use up a resource like coal or oil? Ben 10?
Pollution.
Pollution, very good. When we burn coal or oil, there's pollution. What happens when we use up all of a resource? Like when we burn all of the coal we have on our planet? Sino?
What?
What happens when we use all of a resource? When we use all of it? Can the earth make more?
I guess.
It depends, right? But can the earth make more coal? Coal is
No.
billions of years old.
No.
No, right? It's gone forever. That's why we have to be careful. Just like fresh water, we drink so much water that some places have run out. It's gone.
Because of this fact, it is important for us to conserve them.
Remember the word conserve? That means to protect and to keep it safe. We can use less, like using less water to conserve it, because if we use it all, it's gone forever.
To conserve means to save. If you're good and save as many resources as possible, you're practicing something called conservation. Conservation is easy to do, and it's good for the planet and everyone who lives on it. In these lessons, you will learn about the types of resources available to us, and then you will get a chance to help a family conserve the resources they use around their own house. The earth we live on is made up of many different parts. Each of these parts provides us with important resources we need to live. Let's learn more about each of these parts and what they mean to you. Air surrounds the entire planet. It's everywhere. It's in the mountains, it's far out on the ocean, and even underground in caves. The main resource in air is oxygen. We need oxygen to breathe and to stay alive. But
Why do we need oxygen? Rosie, why do we need oxygen?
To stay alive.
Excellent. What do we use it for? How does it help us stay alive? What do you think, Rosie?
Breathe.
Breathe. Very good. Nice work, Rosie. Good listening.
Also use air to turn windmills, which makes electricity.
So remember, windmills, there it is right there, make electricity. That's what powers a house.
We use electricity to light our homes and run things like TVs and video games. Air is a very important resource. If we make it dirty with smoke from factories and exhaust from cars and buses, we can get sick.
What happens if we pollute the air? What happens if we make the air dirty? What did it say? Pasta? Phones again.
Get sick.
There we go. We can get sick. Excellent work. We can get sick because we're breathing in dirty air.
Important for us to keep our air as clean and fresh as we can.
All right. So we need to keep the air clean and fresh. So instead of burning coal and oil, we should use windmills and make energy from the wind. Remember, this is called clean energy. Clean energy. Okay. One more time, let's read about conservation since this is really important. Funny, could you read this for me?
Conservation means to save or protect something. Once we use all of our resources from the earth, they are gone forever. How can we conserve the air?
Very nice. So one thing, and sorry, this is my fault. So conservation is when you practice conservation. So conservation of the earth. But the verb is to conserve. So this word is conservation. See the ation on the end? Conservation, and this word is just conserve. Everyone say conserve.
Conserve. Conserve.
And George, what does conserve mean?
Conserve means to save or protect something.
Very good. Thank you, George. And how can we conserve the air? Banana? What can we do to conserve the air?
I don't know.
Remember, conserve means save or protect. So how can we take care of our air? How can we keep it clean? What makes air dirty?
Smoke.
Yes, smoke from factories, people, cars. Very good. So how can we conserve the air? What should we do about smoke? What do you think, Banana?
What?
So if smoke is the problem,
No.
how can we conserve it? I'll ask someone else, Banana. That was a great answer. Rosie, what can we do then to help the earth?
To protect the air and the natural resources.
Yes, that's a great answer. So what would you do to protect the air?
We don't make smoke.
Very good. So if smoke is the problem, the solution might be to make less smoke. We can do this by using clean energy like wind and water energy, like in this windmill right here. Okay, great work, guys. Nice answer, Rosie. There we go. All right, and let's remember, everyone say reduce.
Reduce.
Reduce means to use less. Use less water, make less waste from plastic. Reuse, to use it again, use the same water bottle. And recycle, to make materials to make a new product. Use materials to make something new. So let's take a look at your natural resource homework. I got quite a few really good ones here. All right, here's bananas. Very good, banana. This is correct. The natural resources, very good, and the ways to use them. Excellent. Zook, this is really good. Zook, could you please share your homework with us?
Okay. The natural resources are humus, soil, and a rock.
Excellent. And what two did you come up with?
Ways to protect natural resources, recycle, reduce, and what is the bottom? I don't know.
That one is reuse.
Reuse.
Excellent. And can you tell me the natural resources and the ways to protect them that you came up with, where it says 9 words?
Water in plant. And water in plant is my word from the natural resources, and save and stop littering and reduce of toxic chemicals.
Good. Can you say toxic chemicals?
Toxic chemicals.
Much better. Zook, that was amazing. Very good homework. I'm very impressed. Thank you for doing so much work on it. I can see you really understand what we've been learning. Here's Hainam. Hainam, could you read what you put?
Rock, soil, humus.
Are those ways to protect or are those natural resources?
Recycle, resort, reuse.
Very good. Can you say reduce again?
Reduce.
Very good. And can you say natural resources?
Natural resources.
Very nice, Nam. Great pronunciation. Thank you for sharing. All right, we also got homework from Funny. Very good, Funny. I like how you split it into the chart. Puppy. Excellent job, Puppy. Correct. Milk. Very good, Milk. Milk also wrote some extra things on his. Milk, could you share with us the natural resources? Or actually, oh, I see you drew pictures. Oh, excellent. Milk, what are the natural resources that you wrote?
Recycle, reduce, reuse.
Very good. So those are ways to protect them. I love your drawing, Milk. Very good. And what natural resources did you come up? I see that you wrote a few extra ones up here.
Rocks, plants, animals, land, water.
Excellent. Very good job on your homework, Milk. Very nice. All right, we also have one from Sino. Sino, very good. Great handwriting. Here's George's homework. Very well done, George. All correct. And Taylor's homework. Very good, Taylor. Just one spelling mistake right here. Recycle. Make sure you don't work too quickly, okay? L-E instead of E-L. Very nice. All right, thank you everyone who did their homework. I appreciate it, and I can see how much you guys understand it, which I really like. All right, so today we're learning about water. So yesterday we learned about air as a natural resource and conserve. Today we're going to learn about water. Tom, could you read this for me?
Water is a natural resource. We use water in many ways.
Very good. Thank you, Tom. Excellent work. How have you already used water today? Tiger.
To wash our hands.
Tiger used water, you said, to wash your teeth. Very nice. Excellent job. Thank you, Tiger. All right, how about Dragon? Dragon, how have you used water today?
To drink.
To drink. Very good, Dragon. How about, who else has used water today? How about one more person? One more. Cherry, how have you used water today?
To wash your hands.
To wash your, you said your hair?
Hand.
Hands. To wash, so Cherry used water to wash her hands. Very good, Cherry. Make sure you put the S on hands. Can you say, to wash my hands?
To wash my hands.
Very good. Thank you, Cherry. Okay, so we've already used water today to wash hands, brush our teeth, to drink, maybe to cook breakfast, wash our faces in the morning. Okay, so these are some really good starts, everybody. Where does your water come from? Who has a guess? This is a harder question, and it's okay if it's not right. Tom, what do you think?
Water comes from natural resources.
Excellent. It comes from natural resources. Very good. Water comes from, let's say, the earth. Natural resources. Where on the earth? We can't drink water from the ocean, right? Who has a good guess about where on the earth? Pasta?
The lakes and rivers.
Very good. Lakes and rivers. And there's actually one more place it comes from. Zook?
Come from the house.
It doesn't come from your house. Can your house grow water?
No.
No, your house gets it from somewhere else. I'll give you a hint. Lakes and rivers are on top of the land, but you can also find water. Where? Where do you think? Ray, what do you think?
Rain.
Rain? Rain is a good one too, but I'm looking for one. If lakes and rivers are on top of the land, where else can you find water? Maybe if you drill. What do you think, Ray? It's a hard one. That's okay. Rain was a good idea, Ray. Pasta, did you figure it out? What is it?
I think is they drill under the sand and they get water underground.
Excellent job. So did you guys know? So we said rain, lakes, rivers, yes. But did you guys know we get most of our drinking water from underground? We drill deep underground, and that's where we get most of our drinking water, under the dirt. That's where we get it. Just a little extra fact for you guys. What are some other things we can use water for? Moon. Moon, what are some other things that we can use water for?
You can take a bath with water.
Excellent. Take a bath. Still in capital letters, aren't I? Good job, Moon. See, how about Blue Moon? Blue Moon, what else can we use water for? I'll come back to him in a moment. How about Sophia? Oh, there we go. Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning, Miss Miranda.
What are some other things we can use water for, Sophia?
The lake.
So that is a place we can get water. What do we do on the lake? How do we use the lake?
Swim.
Yeah, we could use water to swim or to ride on a boat. So for fun. That's a good one, Sophia. Taylor, what do you think?
To wash hair.
To wash our hair, very good. Can we think of another one? What's something we use water for not at home? What do people use water for? Who has an idea? George, what else do we use water for?
To drink.
To drink? What else? What do people use water for outside? To water. What do you need to give to water?
To plant.
Yeah, to water plants. And on farms, that's called agriculture. Here are some more examples up here in the corner. Here we have washing your dog, a fish tank, a sprinkler. We have a water balloon, drinking water, washing your car, going to the beach, riding on a boat. This one here, water to put out fires. That's important. Take a bath. And ice. This person's making an ice sculpture. He's making something out of ice. That's pretty cool. And here are a few more for fun, for energy. So the same way we use wind for energy, we can run water and it spins a wheel inside of here, right here. If we put this on a river, the moving water will spin a wheel just like the wind turbine. The water spins a wheel and that makes energy for our houses. Is this clean or dirty energy? Blue Moon, is this clean or dirty energy?
Clean.
Clean, very good. So water is another kind of clean energy. We use it to water plants. Fish and animals need water so that they can drink and they can swim and live. Okay. Nam, what do you see in this picture?
Like drink water.
Very good. So what can we use water for, Nam?
For drink.
Drinking. Very good. Can you say that word right there? Can you say drinking?
Drinking.
Very good. All right. Thank you, Nam. Excellent work. I almost gave it away. Here's the next one. What do you see in this picture? How about milk? Milk, what do you see in this picture?
Girl is washing a dog.
Good. Could you put that in one word? We use water for?
Washing a dog.
For washing? Good. Do you know another word for washing? What happens when we take a bath? It's called?
Shower.
You're right. Washing, shower, they're all the same as this word right here. Can you say this word for me, Milk?
Bathing.
Good. Bathing. Everybody say bathing.
Bathing.
Good. So washing your body or washing your pet, that's called bathing. Or taking a shower or washing. Milk is totally right. Here's another one. What do you see in this picture? Zook, what do you see in this picture?
A boat.
A boat. And what do we use a boat for, Zook?
We use a boat for riding in the ocean.
For riding in the ocean. Very good. And Sino, what else? What is it called when we use a boat to get from one place to another place? Oh, there you are. Sino, what is that called?
A ship.
A ship, and what do we use it for? What is it called when you go from one place to another place?
It's swimming.
Close. So the word I'm looking for starts with a T. T-R.
Giant or swimming.
Not quite. That's a good guess though, Sino. Sam, what do you think?
What?
What's it called when we go from one place to another? T-R. When you go on vacation, you
Go to a trip.
not a trip, that's close. What's it called when you go on a trip? You go That's okay. This is
Okay, you win. I lose.
It's a hard one. That's okay, Sam. Can you say this word?
Traveling.
Very good. Traveling. So we can use boats to go from one place to another. We can travel on them. Very nice. Good job, Sam. Sorry for making it so hard. What about this one? What's happening in this picture? Blue moon?
Water is another resource.
Yeah, so water's the resource. What's the water doing here?
Helping a plant.
Yeah, it's helping the plant. Very good. Susu, how is the water helping the plant?
To grow.
Yeah, it's helping it grow by doing what? What's it called?
Agriculture.
Yeah. So can you say this? Susu?
Watering plants.
Excellent job. So we use water for watering plants. Okay, we don't quite have time for the video today. Let's see. Maybe we should save this for tomorrow. Let's do quickly. What harms water and makes it bad? How do we make water dirty? Banana, how do we make water dirty?
We throw trash.
Excellent. Throwing trash in the water. Tiger, how else do we make water dirty?
They put cans to the pond.
Very good. Excellent work, Tiger. And how about Puppy? Puppy, how else do we make water dirty?
We throw trash.
We throw trash. Very good. Do you know what one of these are, Puppy? How do you know what?
Plastic.
Excellent. Throwing plastic in the water. Ray, do you know what's happening in the first picture? How does this make water?
Bad water is in the factory. Bad water is running out.
Excellent job. So we put dirty water, we call that wastewater. We put dirty water into our water, and that makes it dirty. From factories, like Ray said, or from our bathrooms, we put dirty water in. This one is drilling for oil. We get oil from under the sand, and sometimes it spills. What happens when oil spills into the water? Moon?
Some fish or some animals in the ocean will be dead.
Exactly. Some animals that live there will die. So sad. Or we use too much water. Like in this one down there, we use too much water. Why is it important to conserve water? Funny. Why is it important to conserve water?
What is conserve?
Remember, conserve means to protect or to save.
If we don't have water, we will die.
Excellent. We need water to drink. Ben 10, why else is it important to conserve water?
We to take away trash to the ocean.
Excellent. Don't put trash in the ocean. Why is it important to take care of the ocean, Ben?
We have to recycle.
Yeah, we need to recycle. Very good. Let's have one more. How about Cherry? Cherry, why is it important to save water?
The animals, the fish will eat and it will die.
Excellent job. If we put dirty stuff in the water, the fish will die. All right, your homework tonight is a quiz. The quiz will cover this person right here. Sophia, do you remember the name of this person right here? It's a
I don't remember many.
That's okay. It's a forest what?
Danger.
Ranger. Good.
Forest danger.
Nice. So it will be on the forest ranger, on natural resources, on wind,
Forest
and on water. Okay, excellent job today, everybody. I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.